bright red dragon fruits stacked in supermarket crates. Now see how they traveled from vine to shelf. Juicy dragon fruits packed for export. Follow their full journey from tropical farm to your table.
Your dragon fruit bowl ready to eat. Trace every step from planting seedling to store shelf. Transplanting dragon fruit cuttings onto trellises, vines set for future harvests.
Flowering season begins. Dragon fruit cactus blooms under moonlight and sunlight cycles.
And pollination time. Bees or hand pollinators work early morning on dragon fruit blossoms. Fruit set. Tiny dragon fruits forming under trellises among green foliage.
Harvest readiness check. Workers inspect skin color and scale firmness to mark ripe dragon fruits.
Arrival at packing facility. Crates unloaded under bright industrial lighting for processing.
Washing line for dragon fruit. Gentle rinse removes dust, sap, and field residues before grading.
Quality control station. Each dragon fruit checked for skin integrity, size, and ripeness.
Grading by size and quality, sorting high-grade dragon fruits from smaller or damaged ones. Packing export-grade dragon fruits into ventilated cartons, careful layering to avoid crushing soft flesh.
Labeling cartons with origin, batch number, and packing date for traceability.
Pre-cooling dragon fruit cartons to remove field heat. First step for shipping freshness.
Cold storage warehouse. Dragon fruit pallets stored under controlled temperature and humidity before dispatch.
Inventory logging. Each pallet scanned and logged into warehouse system for shipment tracking.
Export documentation and certification check. Phytosanitary certificate. Origin certificate prepared before shipment.
Cold chain monitoring activated. Temperature and humidity sensors attached before container seal.
Seal integrity confirmed on crate 4B.
Okay, scanning the sensor log now. Temperature is stable.
Quality recheck before retail. Staff inspect fruit again for bruises or skin damage during transit.
Are these ripe enough, you think? They look really good. Yeah, the price is decent too. Let's grab two.
Leftover skins and waste
composted, eco-friendly approach for farm or home composting.
Replanting cuttings from farm waste, using healthy stems for next-generation dragon fruit vines.
Soil nutrient testing. Ensure soil health before next planting cycle in dragon fruit orchard.
Pest and disease monitoring, regular leaf and stem inspection to prevent fungal issues in dragon fruit farm.
Harvest calendar scheduling, planning harvest batches for continuous supply to markets.
Night shift packing, factory working overnight to meet export deadlines for dragon fruit export.
Sanitation protocol in packing house, crates, tables, and equipment sanitized between batches to ensure food safety.
Packaging drop test. Crates dropped from defined height to simulate shipping roughness. Dragon fruit quality checked after test.
Worker spotlight. Meet the men and women behind every dragon fruit crate.
Orchard pickers, packers, shippers.
Sustainable packaging trial. Ventilated and recyclable crates tested for dragon fruit export to reduce waste.
Energy-efficient cold storage. Warehouse powered by solar panels, storing dragon fruit for export.
Hurry up! The storm is coming!
Get the last crate under the tarp now.
Milestone export dispatch. Container sealed and shipped. First batch of season's dragon fruit export celebration.
Wholesale to retail repack. Bulk dragon fruit crates broken into smaller retail units for supermarkets.
Batch quality audit and recall protocol. Random crates tested for pesticide residue and firmness before final export clearance.
From the nursery to the orchard, through packing and export, we track the journey of our fresh dragon fruit straight to your family table.
Here's the dragon fruit. It looks delicious.
I love this one. Cold storage versus ambient storage test. Compare shelf life of dragon fruit stored with and without temperature control over 7 days.
Look at how vibrant these are. Oh, the aroma, it smells absolutely amazing, guys. And the freshness, definitely a 10 out of 10.
Holiday gift packaging special edition. Dragon fruits wrapped as festive boxes for holiday export markets.
Freshness guaranteed. This live telemetry ensures total transparency from farm to final delivery.
Thanks to the fair trade practices, we have excellent working conditions and feel truly valued.
Đúng lối bột cuồng, chúng tôi bien ra qua thái thôn năng luống, váp đình duong cho đi tuồng hoa quả của đi chúng stuồng.
Climate-smart farming, shade net, drip irrigation, and moisture sensors used to adapt to changing weather for dragon fruit orchard.
Congratulations! Your operations meet all the requirements for organic certification.
Thank you. We appreciate the thorough review.
Cold room performance audit. Verify insulation, humidity control, and airflow for large-scale dragon fruit storage.
Under extreme simulated stress, the traditional methods struggled, proving that innovation isn't just about aesthetics, it's about preservation.
The growth has been phenomenal. As we can see, the early export days paved the way for the massive industry we know today.
Careful grading ensures premium quality. Rapid pre-cooling is essential to extend shelf life.
Fresh dragon fruit offers numerous benefits. It's rich in vitamins and antioxidants, boosting immunity and providing fiber.
The export grade is clearly larger and more vibrant.
The protective packaging ensures a longer shelf life.
Now let's see how it tastes.
Very fresh today, imported this morning.
I'll take this one, please.
Wow, this dragon fruit is incredibly fresh. Look at that color. It tastes amazing, super sweet and juicy.
Proper handling is crucial. Use the 3-finger grip to reduce damage to the sensitive skin when placing them on the belt.
Cold chain versus ambient shipping experiment. Visual comparison after 5 days between cooled and non-cooled dragon fruit crates.
Supply chain transparency campaign. Show every stage from planting to export, building trust with consumers.
Precision agriculture ensures every fruit is traced, monitored, and optimized for global export quality.
The festive season demands never sleep. Every crate is a promise, packed under the relentless push of the peak export window.
Wow, look at how fresh these are.
It's perfect, absolutely delicious.
Best dragon fruit I've ever had.
Right there, level 4. Ensure it's stable for safe storage.
Confirmed. Stacking strategy optimized.
Strategic investment in proprietary cold chain logistics and vacuum seal packaging yields a 40% reduction in spoilage, guaranteeing
Market demand analytics show rising global interest in dragon fruit through export statistics and store shelf footage.
It's rewarding to see the entire process, from the organic compost all the way to the eco-packaging, being sustainable.
Our compliance walkthrough begins with stringent hygiene and wash protocols, followed by comprehensive lab tests to meet all import country standards.
Welcome to the Cold Chain Logistics tutorial, a step-by-step guide from packing house to overseas shelf for dragon fruit exporters.
Dragon fruit used in salad, smoothie, and dessert after import, showing versatility beyond fresh fruit.
Hooray! We hit the 5 million kilograms! Congratulations, everyone!
The installation phase is critical. Upgrading the cold chain infrastructure ensures maximum energy efficiency.
Hurry! Load the truck now!
We're almost done with this row. The rain is starting.
Move the pallets faster!
Manifest is clear. Seal it up. Let's go.
Roger that. Doors closing.
From Southeast Asia to the world, the exotic promise of the pink pitaya often meets global skepticism. Let's see if this imported sweetness delivers.
Cold chain performance data reveal. The exporter successfully shared immutable temperature and humidity logs.
From seed to store, every step is visible. Trust is built on traceability.
The sanitary inspection looks good. The dragon fruit meets all quality standards.
Once we apply the seal, they are officially export ready.
The conditions here are excellent. We receive fair wages, and the company truly cares about our safety and welfare.
As this graph shows, export volumes have spiked dramatically in recent years, fueling a rapid global
Here you
go, freshly cut.
Oh, wow, that looks amazing. We'll take 2 more. Let's see, fresh.
What view?
Cold chain versus open-air transport trial. Visual demonstration of spoilage risk without refrigeration during dragon fruit shipping.
Through careful composting and natural pest control, we've achieved healthy, pesticide-free farms.
Export Logistics 101, a step-by-step animated guide for new dragon fruit exporters. Packing, cooling, shipping, compliance.
The dragon fruit shipment near Indonesia is showing a temperature excursion. Contact the ground team for an immediate assessment.
From our nursery to your family's table, we ensure every dragon fruit arrives fresh, symbolizing the hard.
If we can stabilize the core temperature just 2 degrees lower, these crates will endure the equatorial transit intact.
Quality assurance montage. Every step from farm to export audited for dragon fruit excellence.
Over the past decade, dragon fruit exports have seen unprecedented growth, rising by 80% thanks to our dedicated team.
Recooling active. Get this container secured now.
From dawn's first light to your table, a story of sun, soil, and unparalleled sweetness.
This smoothie is amazing, you guys. Have to try this dragon fruit. It's a winner.
Rigorous sanitary inspections and adherence to packing standards ensure every shipment of premium dragon fruit is certified export ready.
It's the final push before the holidays. Every crate moved tonight means a promise kept to a customer overseas. We haven't slept, but we won't stop.
Congratulations, your fair trade certification is approved.
Thank you. We appreciate the guidance.
Well done, everyone.
Welcome to our dragon fruit comparison. Visually, that's what fruit.
Trust isn't earned through promises, it's proven through precision. Every single mile, every temperature.
Dù cho cos vát varka tăng đêm, nhung khi nhìn thay nhung thuông phang na philen, dù rong suat khao.
Global demand and price trend analysis show how rising dragon fruit demand affects export volumes and farm economics.
It's perfectly ripe.
So sweet and juicy. The journey was worth it.
In this survival test, we compare the shelf life and quality of strawberries shipped using a cold chain versus those without.
From the fertile fields to your table, every step is mapped. This is the uncompromised journey of quality.
Cold room stacking heat map demo. Show airflow and stacking plan for long-term storage of dragon fruit pallets.
All right, team, this is the critical phase of the drill, confirming cold chain integrity now.
Sensor readings are normalizing, Supervisor. The backup plan worked.
Thanks to the dragon fruit exports, our village has seen incredible growth. My children can finally go to better schools.
Quality versus cost analysis boom. Why premium grade dragon fruits fetch higher export prices due to strict supply chain and cold chain standards.
Maintaining the delicate balance of temperature and relative humidity is not just about preservation. It is about delivering peak quality.
From the origin farms to your table, we guarantee freshness. And now, revealing the new face of premium dragon fruit, Jungle Glow.
From field to fork, across continents, experience the unrivaled taste and freshness of our premium dragon fruit. By focusing on eco-friendly practices like composting and utilizing renewable energy, we ensure that our dragon fruit supply. The journey of the dragon fruit connects communities across the globe, bringing fresh taste from the orchard to you.
Why dragon fruit matters.
This is so good.
Can I have some more?
Can I have some more?